Hello students, can you solve this sum just closing your eyes? Yes, it is possible. The answer is minus 14. Now see what is the reason behind it. What is the trick behind it? First we write two type of matrices. One like this. It is called lower triangular matrix. And see, the upper triangle, all are zeros here, and upper corners, this zero and this zero make a triangle, and this matrix is called lower triangular matrix. And if we find the value of this determinant, what is the value? The value is product of diagonal elements. That is the value of this determinant 5 into 2 into 1. That is we get 10. Now suppose this matrix equal to a 3, 5, 2, 0, 4, 6, 0, 0, 7 and follow the design. The three zeros make a triangle in the lower corner, and this matrix is called upper triangular matrix. And if we find the value of this determinant, the value of the determinant is just product of diagonal elements, that is 3 into 4 into 7, that is equal to 84. It is called triangle law. And if A equal to this matrix, that is minus 1, 22, 333, 0, 2, 44, 0, 0, 7. What is the value of determinant A? Just you multiply the diagonal elements, that is minus 1 into 2 into 7. That is we get minus 14. Now look the sum. If A equal to the matrix 0, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 0, 0, 5. So what is the value of determinant A? Here we are trying to apply triangle law. But where is the triangle of zeros? You see the three elements in the lower corner or in the upper corner not at zeros. So we have to make a triangle either in lower portion or in upper portion by three zeros. So determinant A equal to, just we switch row 1 and row 2, and minus 1 into 3, 1, 4, 0, 2, 5, 0, 0, 5. This is the triangle made of three zeros. So what is the value of this determinant? Minus 1 into 3 into 2 into 5. That is product of diagonal elements. 3 into 2 into 5. We get minus 30.